Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, I have a special feature for you guys. This is my boo-boo, my darling, my baby, my princess, my daughter. She is our model for today and we are going to give her a party look for young girls because she loves to really jazz it up when she does her makeup. So we're going in with some foundation and I'm using our Flawless Face Foundation. It's a light to medium coverage. And now I'm going in with some more Flawless Face, just something a little bit lighter, and instead of a concealer I'm going to use that under her eyes just to brighten it up a bit. And of course I'm blending that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, and then I'm going to set it with my HD powder. Alright, so now we're going into brows. My daughter has really full, beautiful brows, so I'm just brushing through them with a little clear brow gel. And I'm just going to groom them in place. And now we're going into eyes. So I'm using the Soft Petals palette and I'm going into that pretty champagne pinky purple tone. And I'm just applying that all over the lid. And I'm going in with the matte pink and I'm going to apply that to her crease. Now here's the fun part, guys. We are going in with some glitters. Glitters are not yet available, but I do have this one here that my daughter loves. It's like a duochrome, has a little bit of a green flecks in it, a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, and I'm just getting some of our glitter gel. And I'm going to apply that directly on her lid. So pretty. So I'm just applying that on her lid and I put a piece of cotton under there just to catch any glitter fall out because we don't want glitter all over her face. So I'm just patting that on the lid. And the shadow under it actually gives a nice dimension. To finish off the eyes, we're going in with some mascara, and I'm using our Intense Lash Mascara. Next, I'm going in with some blush. I'm using our Duo Lip and Cheek Cream, and this is called Color Jam, and I'm just applying that with a makeup sponge. And lastly, for this look, we're going to go with a nude gloss, and I'm going with our gloss in Embrace, which is a pretty caramel type color. There you have it, guys. Her party look. She's ready to go to her school dance. She's ready to go to her friend's birthday party, her own party, whatever it is.
Wow! Oh, it looks so good! In my eye, this is the best part. I love the sparkle. Wow! Thank you. So what makes me confident in my skin is doing the things that I love. I love to sing and dance, and just doing those things make me feel so happy inside, and yeah, that's what makes me feel confident in my skin. So what I love about being a black girl, well, first of all, I'm Jamaican, half Nigerian, and I love my culture, and the food there is amazing. It's amazing. And the hairstyles, like I'm just rocking this bun right now, so Yeah, that's what I love about being a black girl. What I tell my peers about beauty is to just be yourself, okay? It doesn't matter how or what other people are doing. Just be yourself. Be confident in yourself. You don't have to follow all the other groups, do all the other things that people are doing. Just do what you love to do. Okay? Doesn't matter about the way your hair looks, the way your skin looks. Just be you. It doesn't matter about the beauty, what's outside, but what it really counts is what's inside. That's what matters.